I'm Bob from Bob's Workshop. In this episode, I'd like to show you how I made a roof and some shingles to go on it for use with my O gauge, O scale, 1/48 scale village gate that has sort of a medieval flair. And it has that flair because I modeled my building after some that I saw people making on YouTube who use theirs with board games or tabletop games. The techniques that I'm showing here, I learned by watching those other YouTubers, and you can use them too to make something for your layout or for your gaming table. But today I want to show you the roof, and I think you're going to like it because it turned out better than I had even hoped. make the shingles for each roof section, I used a product that I found at Hobby Lobby called chipboard. It's basically cardboard. It's similar to what a cereal box might be made from, except in this case it's thicker and it's easier to work with because it's not printed on either side. You have a very smooth surface when you cut up a cereal box. Chipboard's the same material, except it's not printed on either side, so it accepts glue and, as you'll see, also Mod Podge. It takes both of those pretty easily, and it's not too bad to work with.
Do you know where secrets go? 'Cause I've forgotten mine. They've slipped out of my control, and you know where they hide. Your love's a little heavy, you're touching me already, and it's working up my nerves. You should probably forget me, 'cause I'm terrified you'll get me when I'm at my worst. It's not too late to let you know that you're in love with a ghost. So run! Pack up your bags and run. Once you see the truth, you'll be over it. Run! And when it's all said and done, run. You just gotta run. I could whisper sweeter things, and back to me you'd crawl. Puppeteer your love for strings, but it's not love at all. My ego's still providing, I'm not the one who's driving, but I can't find the brakes. Yeah, girl, there's no denying that even though I'm trying, I'm your next mistake. I'm falling in deep. You should take me at my word. It's not too late to let you know that you're in love with a ghost. So run! Pack up your bags and run. Once you see the truth, you'll be over it. Run! And when it's all said and done, run. You know you gotta, you know you gotta, you know you gotta run. Run. You know you gotta run. You just gotta run. You just gotta run.
This little turret roof has 15 rows of shingles on 8 sides, so that is 120 pieces right there. And then there's the wood and the polystyrene and the foam core underneath it and inside of it. for a grand total of 142 pieces for this part alone. It may sound tedious, it's definitely repetitious, but if you have some decent music playing, gluing down nearly 200 pieces of little chipboard tiles can go by pretty quickly. It's not too bad. This section here, I simplified quite a bit. There are only about 20 pieces here. And at this point, 20 pieces is not too bad at all. That wraps it up for the construction of this little village gate. In the next episode, I will be finishing this project with paint and the windows. So until then, this has been Bob's Workshop. Take care.